today?
Volcano.
That's right. What do we need to make it?
Paper.
Okay, first of all, we need paper. We need a tray. Okay. We need a finish drinking the water bottle. No water, okay? Empty bottle. And then what is this? Vinegar. Yes. Vinegar. Alright, and then this one is, you use this to wash your dishes. What is this called? Detergent. And then you need baking soda powder. Baking soda powder. Okay. You need a, what's this called? Funnel. Funny funnel. Okay. You need food coloring. What color do you want your volcano to be, Hanson? Red or yellow or blue? Or
I want red.
you are in one team, so you will choose.
Strawberry
Okay,
red. Strawberry red.
and then you need some measuring spoons. Okay, you'll put things onto your spoon and you say, I only need 1 teaspoon. And you put it inside your volcano. Okay, and then did we say scotch tape? Yes, scotch tape and scissors. Hanson. Okay. So first of all, I'm going to do a demonstration. You guys can sit there. If you cannot see, turn your chairs around. Okay. I have made a volcano. Okay. So what we need, so that you can see inside the bottle, Leo. Okay. All right. So we have this. What is this called again? Very good. A tray. We need a tray. So first of all, you put this in the middle of the table, and then you need a. Okay. You put it in the middle. Okay. So what do we do? Okay, so then we put a, what is this called? Funnel. Okay, we put it on top of the, oh wait, sorry, I'm sorry. I'll put the volcano on first. You can make a bigger one. You can make a bigger one. Okay, all right, but now because I need to show you, okay, what you need. All right, so first of all, we need 1/3 of vinegar. So vinegar. The teachers are going to help you with this. Okay, we're going to pour this into. That's why we need tape. We need tape to stick the volcano to the water bottle volcano to the tray. Shh.
Is it going to be real?
Yes, it's going to be real.
Hot?
Okay.
Yes.
So.
Put hot water.
Okay.
No, you go to the real volcano.
All right.
Take
So
the
now.
lava and put it there.
So now, what do we use? What is this called?
Vinegar.
Can you smell it? Okay.
I don't like.
Okay, smell it. Okay, be careful. Don't get any of this in your eyes. Okay? Because it might hurt your eyes. So, okay, so then you put it on a spoon.
What is that?
Be careful. Okay. Maybe somebody can hold the bottle or you can stick it with the tape. Let me add more. Okay, so 2 spoons. Okay, and after that, what do we add? We add coloring. What color volcano do you want?
Red.
Red.
I want
Red. Okay, I will use a red one. Some red. Dot, dot. Okay, hold on. And I will use some yellow. Yellow and red make orange. Okay, because the volcano is yellow and red. Okay, pack back on. Okay, so then after that,
How about blue?
Okay. Then I will put, what is this called? Detergent. You don't have to put it on the spoon. You just mix it in here. Okay. And then after that, what do we do? I'm gonna add this.
Soda powder.
Oops, I think I missed out.
Soda powder.
Soda powder, yes.
Pour some special powders together. Why
And
the
here.
volcano's not ready?
Oops, the last part is the...
Can we put blue color?
The last part is the vinegar. Okay, sorry.
This is green.
Okay, so you put all of them together. Now, we're gonna watch it go down. It's gonna be slow though, but everybody, you can come close but not on the table.
It smells yucky. Volcano.
You see, it's getting higher and higher.
Is it hot?
No.
More vinegar, more vinegar. More tower. More
Yes, it will smell.
Sticky.
I need to save the vinegar for you guys.
So don't eat.